Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I will be teaching you on how to fix invisible zip. And this is the first thing you will do. You will place your zip on the zipper, on the place you are going to put your zip, and you will sew the edges of the zip. See, look at it, so that it will hold the fabric down. You will just sew the edges. After that, we now sew the tip of the zip, the place I showed you just now. You will place your foot on the tip of the zip, and that's what I'm doing right now. You will turn it to the other side. Look, the tip of the zipper is where you are going to sew. You will open the zipper, now sew the tip. I'm done sewing it. It's very easy. I'm closing up the zipper now. Okay, now look, see, look at it. Can you see? It's very easy. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be uploading tutorials on this